So hello everybody, welcome back into another how-to tutorial, and today we're going to try something new. So we're going to try Hailuo AI. This is previously known as MiniMax. So it was MiniMax before it rebranded to Hailuo AI. So we're diving into it, and it's a cutting-edge platform that transform your text and images into captivating videos. Whether you're a content creator or marketer, or just exploring AI tools, Halo AI offers an intuitive way to bring your ideas back to life. So let's get started. So access Halo AI. Open your browser, then you're just going to type Halo AI, that video. Then after that, you're going to create. You're going to sign in first. So we're gonna sign in with our Google account. This is much faster for me, so I'm just gonna try and do this. So that's pretty cool. Then after that, you're going to choose your input method. So if you want to create the video here, so or you can just upload a picture. So let's say there's like a video here. So you can explore. It's create video, create image, but we're gonna create a video today because I want something spicy. So let's say a football player kicking a ball through the net. Then we want one quantity. Then we're just going to either we want director, like control camera, like proportional movement, or we want like live characters, mode vivid, perfect for 2D illustrations, or best image to video model. Then we're just going to craft our prompt, or if you want, we're just gonna do this one. We're just gonna do this more good prompt right here. So we're just going to pre-select a picture. So we do need to select a picture of a serene mountain at sunrise. So serene mountain. Okay. Uh we're just gonna search one right here. So we're gonna look up a serene mountain. Why not? We're going to copy this. If it doesn't, there we go. Then we're gonna generate the video. So it's generating now. It's optimizing the prompt. It's in progress, and we're just gonna wait for it to finish. No, while we're waiting, so this is a 3-minute wait. While we're waiting, I'm gonna tell you about if you want to utilize the director mode here. So if you want utilize Haley's director mode, it offers advanced control over camera movements. So you can just say like low angle, cover the shoulder if you want specific angles. If you want movement like pan left, zoom in, and if you want lighting, soft ambient light or dramatic shadows, if you want that type of thing. So you're just gonna generate. So once your prompt is ready, if you created your prompt already, you're going to click the generate button like we had. So you're gonna choose quantity also, and you can also brainstorm with DeepSeek if you want more camera control and stuff like that, cinematic shot. So that's pretty cool. It offers a lot. So there's also preset here. So ATM vintage film, brainstorm. So that's pretty cool. So you have built-in AI here to check your prompt. So we're just gonna try and check our prompt with DeepSeek right here. Enhance this prompt. Go. So we can just like send it to DeepSeek here, and we can have our prompt enhance. The good thing about DeepSeek is it's an open source AI. So there are free versions of DeepSeek that you can use, so that you don't have to pay for a prompt like and with ChatGPT is paid, and you need like a paid API for it. While DeepSeek's a bit free, but it is less optimized than ChatGPT. So we're just gonna wait for this video right here. So it's gonna take a long time. So we're going to create another one while we're waiting. We're gonna create a picture. So we're gonna create image right here. So where's our DeepSeek? I'm just gonna copy this prompt right here, and we're just gonna paste this one. So this is our image, and we're just gonna create. that we're just gonna wait for this to create. You can also choose image models. So you have image one. So this is their only image, I think. Their image model. So in compared to other, AI tools, you have a lot of styles to pick with. So this only has image one because I think Halo AI is more on AI video. So you do have to, you choose another AI or like AI website if you want more choices. So one of my choices is like Flux. So here's our picture here. It looks pretty good, right? It looks pretty nice. MiniMax Halo AI. See, you can also video it, so you can create a video generation, and you can just put AI. So here's our prompt right here. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty. That looks nice, guys. It transitioned too, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. You also have this AI pictures right here, and yeah, guys. So yeah, so tips for optimal results to get the best out of AI. Be specific with your prompts. Detailed prompts yield more accurate results. Use descriptive language. Mention colors, lighting, and movement, and then try different prompts and settings to explore various outcomes. And alternative to Halo AI, so we're gonna go with the alternative. You have Runway LM, Runway ML. So you have Runway ML tools for human imagination. You also have Pika Labs right here. You have Pika Labs here, so that's pretty cool. And you can also have Luna Labs. A lot of labs, right? Luna Labs, Dream Machine. So that's pretty cool. So we have Luna Labs Dream Machine. So this is pretty cool right here. That's pretty nice. And you also have, last but not the least, Kyber AI. So we have Kyber AI. So it's ideal for transfer music images to dynamic video. So that's pretty cool. And also there's some of my favorites. So there's Flux.ai. I prefer these two. I enjoy using this one. Wait, this is the wrong one. I meant like Schnell. Flux One Schnell is pretty good. It has a lot of models, but it's mostly a really fast image generator. I really like this, and also Adobe Firefly is fun because it's free. And also you can use this commercially because the media, or like the videos and images that the AI was trained on, was from Adobe, so you can freely use it on your business without getting sued, I guess. So let's try Flux that now. So let's say this one. We're gonna run this. It's super quick. Like that's quick. That's nice, right? That's pretty cool. And it's really high quality. There's also this one. That's pretty cool. Uh, Jeff. Uh, let's say Joe Biden. Why not? Let's have fun. It's one of my favorites too, so I like this one better. I mean, I like using this one. I meant that's pretty cool. That's fun. Okay, last one. Last one. Let's do Donald Boy right here. That's cool, right? That's pretty nice. Anyways, and my final thoughts with Halo slash Minimax is like, yeah, that's it, guys. So just learn how to create stunning AI generative videos using Halo AI slash Minimax. It's a powerful tool that transforms your ideas into visual masterpieces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI tools, tutorials, and got question or want to share your creation, drop them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.